Hey, welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. We dig around in the shed. Hobo Freight Haul water pump put on S10. Run that intro. Welcome back, everybody. We got a HOLT grease gun because I gotta grease them ball joints if I ever get it running. I got some bigger picks, you know, to help with bigger picks. You know, when you need to pick something bigger. Yep. I know. I got another. I got my pliers. They got a bunch of my stuff there. I try to walk out with them because it got my name on them, but they don't let me. So I got a 10-inch fast adjustable water pump pliers. Really? Water pump pliers. Huh. I didn't know there was water pump pliers. That's just what I need. Alright. And I got a what else? Oh, I got grease to put in the grease gun to put in the ball joints that I just replaced. And I got a digital multimeter. And so I can check, make sure I got voltage. And I got, oh, that was just that ball joint I didn't need that I had to bought for the boat. I got a U.S. General 6-inch magnet. Now, it ain't magic. I wish it was magic. It would fix my problems. U.S. General 6-inch magnet part holder in the color blue. Because, you know me. It's in the thing. So let's go do what we can do. Alright, folks, we over here. I got the water pump. It's a new water pump. I went ahead and put a little RTV with, you know, gasket maker. I got the gasket on there. It's just to hold it. I went ahead and put the pulley back on it. And now let's stick the water pump on and hook all the hoses up. Let's go to the PoS10. And this is ACDelco. Ooh, let's go outside. Try to do this before it rains. Yeah, it's supposed to rain next 2 days. A little nippy-o, a little cool out here. It's wish you had some heifers. And then I don't know why I jacked it up because I didn't need to, but I did because I was thinking I had to get underneath it, but I don't. Now I need a stool. All right. At least all the boats are the same. This was a pretty easy job. I just thought I made it harder. But that's the way it goes. Easy job, hard. Alright. Alright, well, ain't nothing else to do but to do it. I wonder if we're messing up here trying to put these boats in now. Maybe not. I probably will regret that. So let's snake these down through there. Get these hoses in the way. Well, did I get it? I need a light. I need an extra hand when I know one started. You can't see what you're doing. That's probably a wrong idea, but that's ratchet on there. I got it. I don't think I got it Well, damn it. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. Nope, I'm standing on a milk crate. And I dropped my sock ratchet. This is the best thing I've... when you dropping stuff, having one of these things. Where'd that ratchet go? Did it go all the way to the ground? Got it. I'm gonna use my ratchet just to hand torque it so I can pop my elbow and make sure it's torqued right. The torque setting is in German. I can't read German, but it says good and tight. Good and tight. Good and tight. I just ran it down with the wrist saver. I thought I was going to have to take off all kinds of accessories, but I didn't. Alright. Now. Let's see if we can't get these hoses back on. The heater hoses. One. And there's a, I guess a bypass or something. I got, what did I do with them? I think I left them. Yep, I did. No, I didn't. I set them right there. I set one right there. I guess I said, well, I don't want, I need one right now. So, let's put that on there. I could pull that wheel off right there. What size is that? Not that size. Not that size. So, what size is that? It's a 14, so it's probably a 12. Taking that pulley off, it was a 13, but that did make it easier to see what I'm doing here. Getting the hose on there. But then, I'm in this problem. The clearance tolerance. How far down you gotta push that hose? Whew. Oh, me. Is that gonna have enough room? Yeah. You know what I should have done? Gee, you ain't coming off once you get it on there. Thinking about these little ones. Okay. Take them off. That's getting tight. You can strip those things out. Big one, 2 inch. Got it. Little WD-40. This one's got a definitely got a lip on it, so shit. I told her I needed a 2 inch and she gave me 2 inches, but I need a, dang it, 2 1/4 probably. Alright, took me, I had to say a couple. No, I didn't cuss. Just told you to get your ass up on there, you. Now let's get the, should hold it. Water pump engaged. What's next? Putting the fan on. That's gonna be tricky. Listen. Well, I got in here, I got wasp nest and dirt dauber's nest. I can't reach down in there. That probably would come. Nope. I can't get my hands in there, but it's full of dirt dauber's nest. Let me show you what you can see. What you can see down in there. Get you, see that? How much wasp nest and well, they dirt daubers. Let's see if we can get that stuff out. As you can see, I thought I was recording on it. It's a little cleaner. Might make it run a little cooler. Yep. Alright. Just gotta run over it. That puts the tension on it, but it can't. You can go over this, but you can't back off of that because it's gotta run on the ribs of that one. I think I see what I did wrong. There you go. Over that one. Under that one. Like so. And then upsy daisy. Up without twisting. Don't twist. Around that one because that's a smooth pulley. So it goes like that. Ouch. That's sharp. And then under this one. Happy damn. Nope. Close. Why? You see where we at? Probably not. See where I'm at? I'm an idiot. You know what I'm missing? A pulley that I took off to get them hose clamps on. Why didn't y'all tell me? I gotta put this back on because it's gotta go. I was close. I just was missing this. If this was on there, I would have had it on the first try. Great. Well, different day, another same old, what they say. Different, why ain't you sticking in there? Different day, same old shit. Well, it is. While I'm coming out here, I'm gonna make sure I got everything I need. I believe I don't need but two things. Yep. I did this and that and this. And I shouldn't have climbed up here. Well, y'all want to look over here. The fan's back on. Uh-oh. Oh, it's behind there. Oh, shit. I told you. Different day, different problems. Same old problems. Let's get you on the bottom. It should be. Nope. Okay, that's why. It rained yesterday evening and it's crap. Crap. You right there at it. Get in there. There you go. I just need to give you a little encouragement to straighten up. There. And give me my wrench. Ratchet. Got it. Whew. Over. Let's see. Over. Flip a floppy over. Back on, over and under. And over and under. Check. Now what? I got 4. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boats. Radiator back in place. That goes in there like so. There's nothing to set down in there like so. Nope. Alright. Huh. You know, I found my diagram. I had to look up. It's right there on that thing that I took off. So this is a half of the Fran's shroud. At least they did do that right, so you ain't got to fool with the whole thing. You just take half of it off. These hoses in the way, ain't they? Alright. Why don't you help me understand? Get down in there. Got it. Do I? Think so. Yep. Yep, there's the hose lined up. You got know what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's set this on kill. Ain't got one. Need a longer extension. Always something. Never fear, I have what I need. I should have worn my belt. Y'all ready for the riots at Walmart? The people stealing groceries. Ooh, that's plastic. Just don't yummy and haul it. Three bolts, 3 holes. Alrighty. Yes, we can. It might be my lucky day. Probably not, but I'll take a win when I can get them. It says do not use Dex coolants only. Engine coolant does not require maintenance every 5,000 or 100,000 miles or something kilometers. Now what? That's it. No more boats left over. See? You got nothing left laying down there, do I? All right, let's see where to start. Starting. Clear. Day 1. Where you at? What are you doing over there? I think I'm about out of fuel. Is it? While you up there, you're supposed to be watching that. Make sure we don't have no leaks. Got a squeaky belt. Let's get some water in that thing. Pour this without spilling any. Oh, it's green. Well, as you can see, we got the water pump put on, and you probably noticed we got to take it back off because it's leaking. Great, but that'd be another episode. You don't need to watch that again. You don't might want to. We'll move on to something else next time you watch it. I'm just gotta go check out that video there, that one there, and check out that. Hit the subscribe button. It don't cost nothing. The POS is still a POS. Dang it.